Hi, my name is Maurice Frank. I'm one of the project managers of the Lower Columbia Fish Enhancement Group. We're standing next to the Little Washougal River on one of our project sites funded by the Clark County Clean Water Restoration Fund. This project's main focus was stormwater. Like many other rivers within our region, the Little Washougal is also plagued by stormwater issues. Our focus was planting nice riparian trees that were going to counteract many of the issues that we're experiencing. Now, if you take a look around, you'll notice one thing in specific. Most of the plants that we've decided to implement within our project are conifers. We've got western hemlock, we've got western red cedar, and we also have Doug fir. Now, there's a specific reason we decided to use these species within our planting area, and that's because we want a more robust and strengthened riparian buffer. These trees will grow to get really tall, really wide, therefore shading your stream and also spreading their roots wide, which will mitigate against bank destabilization. Another good thing about these conifers is they help with flooding, and they help sop up a lot of that groundwater that's coming off of your banks, and it kind of filters it before it hits the river. When it comes to stormwater pollution, in most cases, you're looking at the culprit right here. We get a lot of rainwater in the northwest. Now, all that water has to have somewhere to go. It usually ends up in your small tributaries and feeder streams, ultimately ending up in your river. On this project, we decided to implement plants that we knew would have a success rate at survival, a good success rate of survival. We have plants such as dogwoods, willow. We've also got some salmonberry and other small shrubs that not only feed the bug life, but also feed other critters like beavers and deer and other animals as well. We started the Little Washougal Riparian Project in 2019. We'll be finishing up in December of 2021. We worked with multiple landowners who live along the Little Washougal, and we were fortunate enough that they allowed us to come and implement certain aspects of our project, like invasive removal, and we also allowed us to plant over 5,000 native trees and shrubs. If you're interested and you want more information on how to reduce stormwater impacts, please feel free to reach out to me, our Lower Columbia Fish Enhancement Group, and we'll be glad to assist you. Take care.